Welcome, everyone. We are here with Edna, and this is DEATHCon 2024. So, tell us, what is DEATHCon 2024?
Hey, FedEx. Yes, I would be happy to tell you. So I'm Edna. I use they, them pronouns. And DEATHCon is a detection engineering and threat hunting conference. It's workshop based. So all of the workshops, you get hands on exercises with a lot of different tools and a lot of different things that you get to learn about.
Now, recently, until I think maybe at 10 p.m. last night, is that I realized that DEATHCon is an international conference. I mean, I am so blown away. I was thinking this is going to be like 30, 40, maybe 60 people in here that does detection, threat hunting, somebody like myself that I feel that I still need to learn a whole lot more about this. I was so lost getting up the VN set up and everything, and then come to realize last night that there is huge online community going on doing the same thing that we're doing here worldwide. And
Yes.
I started panicking. I was like, oh my God, I'm not ready for this.
Oh, well, you don't have to panic. Being here in person, we are all here to help each other. Um, Here in Orlando, you have me and some other people that are veterans of DEATHCon. They can help you get set up. We have one of our workshop leaders, Carla, is here. She did the setting up your Greylog and your home lab workshop. So you have people here on site to help you. The conference itself is primarily an online conference, and then we have these in-person meetups for extra support and community because it is nice to get to meet people and get to know other people that are doing the same things that you are.
Now, how someone that wants to get into the detection engineering threat hunting community,
Hmm.
what they had to do, like how do they find the community? How can they get involved? I mean, yes, the time has passed for 2024, but 2025 is gonna come bigger, better, and it's still gonna
Yes,
be awesome.
yes. So the tickets go on sale in July, and or maybe earlier, but follow the Twitter account for DEATHCon to make sure that you're getting the updates. If you're a returning attendee, you will get an email reminding you to get your ticket. But if you're a newcomer, make sure you're following up with the updates. Go to deathcon.io to make sure you know when the tickets go on sale. The online conference, so this is the third year. The online conference sold out in less than 24 hours this year.
Wow.
So it's getting more and more popular, and every year the conference is growing in size. So the first year we had 50 people, and then it got doubled to 100. This year we have 256 people. So even with it doubling in size, it is becoming more and more popular, and it's sold out so quickly. And if you're not able to get an online ticket, you can do like some people did and set up a ticket for in person and travel and come visit us.
So yeah, in here in Orlando, we actually have people that came in out of state just to this conference to spend the 2 days with us, and we'll be talking with them maybe later if they are willing to come in camera. But I mean, it's just a whole new experience for myself. I actually, I think I had to almost cry to get a ticket because that's how hard it was to actually get a ticket in here. But I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did. I'm actually learning that the setup is phenomenal. I mean, I had been in different conference, different type of workshops. Never myself I have encountered a workshop that is so organized when it comes to the documentation to actually teach you hands on. I mean, this is full fledged hands on, working on virtual machines, working on detection, working on threat hunting. You can be as red teamer as you want, you can be as blue teamer as you want, and also you can be a purple teamer in there and figure out both sides of the coin. So it is
Right.
definitely a conference that will get you set up for years to come in knowledge. And we are thankful for actually you've been one of the volunteers and organizers here at DC 407.
Yes.
you actually took the baton and say, I am gonna make it in person. I mean, it's been a stressful time. Like, how do you do it? Do you really have a time machine? I was told that you had some
Oh,
sort of time machine.
there is no time machine. I try to explain that I just schedule my time, and I that is about all I do. But no, I do a lot. I help out with B-Sides Orlando, and I help with organizing DC 407, and put on DEATHCon Orlando. So just one thing at a time. Like, things happen. They're at different times of the year, and I just focus on one thing at a time until it's gets done.
So do you actually have like little helpers, like a little minions helping you and doing all the work in the back end? Like you're right
I
there on the top and be like, oh, this is what I need you to guys do.
um no, but that's an idea for the future. I should
All right.
find
Well,
some
if
minions.
you actually want to volunteer, if you actually want to get involved, I mean,
Yes.
locally here in Central Florida, we got DC 407, we got Hacks UCF,
Yes.
we got Hack CFL, we have IC Square, Isaka. I mean, what am I? What else I miss? Citrus Sack. I'm missing several more, but there's a lot. We have
Yes.
B-Sides Orlando as well, so
Yes.
there's a lot of community here in Central Florida that you can get involved with, and they're always looking for volunteers. They were looking always for people to get involved with it. So maybe you can contact ET
Yeah.
and then can tell you exactly how you can get involved.
Yeah. Anybody can reach out to me, and I'm happy to help explain things, get you introduced to the community, or get you involved volunteering with B-Sides or DC 407.
Well,
We'd
you
love to have you.
you hear it right there. Get involved, get hands on, and don't forget, let's hack the world, but always with permission.